Hello wonderful people, my name is Santiago and today I'm going to give you guys a quick tutorial on how to take a quiz in Canvas. First things first, while in your dashboard, go to the course to which the quiz belongs. Once you're inside the course, it will be under the Assignments tab. Select Assignments. Once inside the Assignments tab in the course, look for the quiz and select it. You will arrive at the quiz screen where you'll be able to see the due date, the points, questions, and other information. To start the quiz, select this button here. Now you have started taking the quiz. Over on the right hand side, you have the time that's been taken. It's a little bit longer because I've been trying to get this video right for a little bit now, don't worry. You can see the questions as is, and then select the appropriate box for what you think is the correct answer. There are varieties of questions, and they're pretty self-explanatory. You can flag questions, wherein you'll be able to see which questions you flagged to come back to later on the sidebar. To unflag them, simply select the flag button again. And once you've answered all questions, hit Submit Quiz. At this point, if your professor has allowed, you can retake the quiz. Luckily for me, my professor has, so I don't have to worry about a bad grade. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.